Welcome to Lesson 1 of the Learn Afrikaans from Zero course. If you're worried about pronunciation, don't be. Afrikaans is actually one of the easiest languages to pronounce once you know a few sounds. Remember, you don't need to sound perfect, you just need to sound confident. In this lesson, you'll learn the most important Afrikaans sounds and we'll practice them using real words you'll hear every day. By the end of this lesson, you'll already sound more Afrikaans than you think. Let's start with the Afrikaans sound A. In Afrikaans, A is a clear, open sound, not E. A. Say it after me. A. A. Here are a few words starting with A. Repeat each word after me. Appel. Appel. Asseblief. Asseblief. Arm. Arm. Almal. Almal. Now, let's listen to the A sound when it's used in a word. Dankie. Dankie. Dag. Dag. Kat. Kat. Mat. Mat. Now, when there are two A's next to each other, the sound becomes A. Let's listen to a few words with A. Naam. Naam. Saam. Saam. Gaan. Gaan. Slaap. Slaap. Well done! Now let's use this in simple sentences. My naam is. My naam is. Ons gaan saam bank toe. Ons gaan saam bank toe. Ek gaan nou slaap. Ek gaan nou slaap. Don't rush, clear is better than fast. Let's move on to the E sound. The Afrikaans E is usually softer and shorter than the English. Say it after me. E. E. Here are a few words starting with E. Immer. Immer. Engels. Engels. Ek. Ek. Een. Een. Now, listen to the sound when it's used in a word. Met. Met. Ses. Ses. Pen. Pen. Bed. Bed. Let me teach you the most frequently used Afrikaans word that is used everywhere. Listen to the E sound in the word lekker. Lekker. Afrikaans people use the word lekker to describe just about anything they enjoyed. Die kos is lekker. Die kos is lekker. Dit is lekker by die see. Dit is lekker by die see. Wat 'n lekker dag. Wat 'n lekker dag. See, you are already sounding more like a local. When we use two S next to each other, the sound become ear. Een. Een. Eet. Eet. leer, leer, gee, gee, eend, eend. Right, let's do a mini drill. I'll say a simple sentence using these sounds and you repeat it after me. Ek gaan slaap. Ek gaan slaap. Appels is lekker. Appels is lekker. Ek praat Engels. Ek praat Engels. Die eend eet brood. Die eend eet brood. Ek leer Afrikaans. Ek leer Afrikaans. Fantastic job! Now for the sound everyone is scared of, the Afrikaans G. This sound comes from the back of your throat. It's similar to how you pronounce the word Loch Ness. Loch Ness. Except it's a little bit more harsh. Instead of the soft sound, the tongue is lifted a bit in the back of your throat, making the sound louder and harsher. Let's practice a few words starting with gaan, gaan, goed, goed, groen, groen, gras, gras, geel, geel. Now, let's put it into real sentences you'll hear all the time. Goeiedag. Goeiedag. Dit gaan goed, dankie. Dit gaan goed, dankie. Not bad. I know it feels a little bit strange, but you're doing it right. Now for a fun tongue twister. Die groen gras groei goed. Can you say that after me? Die groen gras groei goed. I am so proud of you. You just mastered 3 Afrikaans sounds. Let's continue with the Afrikaans R. It sounds stronger than in English. Like when you say, brrr, I'm cold. That rrr, yes, that's how it sounds. Say it after me. Rrr. Let's practice a few words. Regtig, regtig, raai, raai, rooi, rooi, rus, rus, rek, rek. Well done. Let's practice the R when it's used in a word. Praat, praat, brood, brood, droom, droom, werk, werk, kers, kers. Let's practice the R sound in a few sentences. Die rooi rok is mooi. Die rooi rok is mooi. Ons werk hard. Ons werk hard. Ek ry in 'n motor. Ek ry in 'n motor. Here is another fun tongue twister to practice the R. Rooi ribbok ram. Rooi ribbok ram. Excellent! Now you can say the following sentence with confidence. Ek praat Afrikaans. Ek praat Afrikaans. Let's recap a few sentences you've learned today. Goeiedag. Goeiedag. Dankie. Dankie. Dit gaan goed, dankie. Dit gaan goed, dankie. Ek praat Afrikaans. Ek praat Afrikaans. If you'd like to start training your listening ear and getting used to how Afrikaans sounds, make sure you explore the other resources on this channel. You'll find simple story videos designed to help you understand Afrikaans naturally through stories. And for each story, there is a matching vocabulary video created especially for beginners. You can also use the Learn Afrikaans While You Sleep videos. These are calm, peaceful listening videos that help your brain get familiar with Afrikaans sounds while you rest. In the next lesson, you'll learn how to greet people properly in Afrikaans and greetings for different times of the day. Sien jou volgende keer. See you next time.